I
Holly,
would like some help with my arms.
you would? Very well.
And there's an arm movement that I'd like to do that has a clap in it.
All right.
And particularly the clap, I find I have a lot of tension in my chest.
All right, so let's do.
Okay.
Let's do your little thing. And what do you notice?
I notice when I come to the clap, I drop down a little bit. Like, almost like I'm clapping down here.
All right, I'll come over here.
All right.
Now, I'm going to watch this as you do it.
All right. Well, that's different.
What does that do?
Well, it's very different. In fact, I'm missing my hands.
You're missing what?
I'm missing my hands a little bit. I lost my aim. But I also noticed, Marge, that there's a lot of tension in this joint that I didn't even feel until you came there.
All right, wait a minute. Let's put this arm down.
Okay.
Now let me have this arm.
Okay.
What does that feel like?
Well, it feels a lot longer and lighter. And my arm's in a different relationship than it was.
Yeah, because you have a little, what does that do?
Oh, it moves my whole arm.
All right, now let's clap. Now drop, let your arms come down.
All right.
There. What you're doing is you're tightening your arms right where they fit into your body.
Mm-hmm.
And that's
And they're hard to move.
So now go on and clap again.
I think that's better, Marge.
But it's much slower.
It looks better.
It feels softer when my hands come together.
Yeah, you're not making as much noise.
Uh-huh. And I think that this part is better. I have to keep lengthening here. I'm
Yes.
shortening there a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see, you're doing this to clap.
Right. Right, the clap's in my hand. It doesn't have to be my arm.
There you are. Now you're just going to add the movement of your arms out.
Okay.
But this should be moving up too, right through here. Every clap you make, this should be moving here. Does that give you some help?
It certainly does, Marge.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, anybody else? Well, I guess if I didn't miss anybody, we